So now crypto coins are a bit lower than they were a year ago, and we have the Bitcoin war to thank for that. For our mining this week, Miners Gate was $3 and basically 59 cents. Not going to pull that out this week because too much of it will go to exchange. So I'm just going to leave that in there for this week. Pull it out maybe next week. Miners Gate, it's saying I have $4.51, but I can't pull it out because it's not enough in there. And at this hash rate, the maintenance fee cost as much as it's pulling in. So basically getting nothing out of that. So Miners Gate, we'll leave that blank. CCG Mining, also nothing. Slush Pool is 0.74599 or 32 cents. Nanopool is 0.35198 or $39.38. Third-party miners, again, nothing. That was in my last video. It was sitting about $5. Now I think it's sitting around $4. I probably have to run that a couple more months to get anything out of it. Actually converting most of them computers over to running Monero since it actually hashes higher. Storage, I expect to get something out of it in December. Delete Ebates. So that leaves us with about 6 cents for the week. Not very good at all, but with all this market crashing. However, I'm getting 6 cents a week to heat my house,